Join us as we explore some of the most exciting features of DJI Mavic 3. Mavic 3 features a stunning Hasselblad camera with a 4/3 CMOS sensor. Having such a large sensor on a drone of this size is an absolute novelty. Compared to smaller sized sensors, it lets you capture images at higher dynamic range and better low-light performance. The 5.1K video resolution gives you incredible details and provides plenty of room for resizing and reframing in post. Mavic 3 delivers epic slow-motion shots with up to 120 frames per second in 4K. To get the most out of your footage, Mavic 3 Cine uses the Apple ProRes 422 HQ codec, which is the industry standard for high-quality video. Together with the 10-bit color depth and D-Log image profile, it opens up a professional level of editing flexibility. Mavic 3 Cine makes sure you don't run out of storage by integrating a massive 1TB SSD drive directly into the drone. If you prefer professional-looking results without post-processing, the Hasselblad Natural Color solution provides incredibly rich and accurate colors straight from the camera. But Mavic 3 doesn't just have one camera. Explore mode unlocks an additional half-inch sensor telecamera for up to 28 times zoom. With the attachable wide-angle lens, you're finally able to shoot still images and video at an impressive 15.5 millimeters. The new DJI RC Pro controller offers a more precise and convenient control experience, along with a crisp, ultra-bright display. To perfectly frame your shots, reliable video transmission is crucial. The O3 Plus video transmission makes sure your connection stays smooth, even over long distances or in complex environments. Mavic 3 stays in the air for up to 46 minutes, so you don't have to worry about missing the perfect shot anymore because of low battery. Multiple visual sensors enable accurate recognition of objects omnidirectionally. That means Mavic 3 can automatically sense and avoid obstacles during flight, even when moving sideways and backwards. This also allows ActiveTrack 5.0 to be more advanced than ever before, providing safe and reliable tracking even of fast-moving subjects in complex environments. It also enables Mavic 3's advanced return-to-home function, as it combines these sensory capabilities with real-time data to intelligently plan and fly an optimum route back to the home point. The Master Shots function automates complex aerial movements and allows anyone to get professional-looking shots. With its powerful camera performance, intelligent safety features, and some of our most advanced flight technologies ever, the new DJI Mavic 3 is a must-have for professional content creators. This is imaging above everything. This is DJI Mavic 3.
Number 4. The Autel Evo 3 is the latest drone from Autel Robotics. It is a powerful, professional-grade drone that is perfect for aerial photography and videography. It has a 4K camera and a 3-axis gimbal for smooth, stable footage. The drone is also equipped with intelligent flight modes, obstacle avoidance, and a one-touch takeoff and landing system for easy operation. The drone has a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a maximum range of 5 miles. Whether you are an enthusiast or a professional, the Autel Evo 3 is an excellent choice for your aerial photography and videography needs. With an impressive range and long flight time, you can explore the world from a completely new perspective. The 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal will ensure your footage is smooth and professional looking. Plus, with intelligent flight modes and obstacle avoidance, you can fly with confidence and capture stunning aerial shots. So, if you're looking for a powerful and reliable drone, the Autel Evo 3 is the perfect choice. With its impressive range and flight time, 4K camera, and 3-axis gimbal, you can get stunning aerial footage and explore. The Autel Evo 3 is the latest drone from Autel Robotics that offers stunning 8K aerial video and 20-megapixel photography. This drone has a range of up to 4.3 miles and a top speed of 44.7 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest drones on the market. With the Autel Evo 3, you can capture smooth, cinematic footage or utilize its object avoidance to fly with confidence. The Autel Evo 3 features an impressive 3-axis gimbal and a 20-megapixel camera with 1-inch CMOS sensor. This allows you to capture high-quality stills and 8K video in up to 30 FPS. The drone comes with a range of intelligent flight modes, including ActiviTrack 3.0, Orbit, and Waypoint, making it the ideal choice for professional videographers and photographers. The Autel Evo 3 is designed with safety in mind and comes with a range of features to make flying easier and safer. It features dual satellite positioning systems and a dedicated remote controller with smart device holders and a built-in 5.5-inch OLED display. Number 3. The Parrot Anafi USA is a compact, foldable drone that is perfect for anyone who wants to take their aerial photography and videography to the next level. With its lightweight, ultra-compact design, the Anafi USA can easily be taken anywhere, giving you the freedom to capture stunning aerial shots with ease. This drone is equipped with a 21-megapixel camera, capable of capturing 4K Ultra HD videos, and a 3-axis image stabilization system to ensure smooth, buttery footage even in windy conditions. It also features a 180-degree vertical tilt camera that allows you to capture stunning low-angle shots. With a maximum speed of up to 55 kilometers per hour, the Anafi USA can reach a flying time of up to 25 minutes, letting you capture more footage than ever before. The Anafi USA also comes with a host of other features, such as a return home mode, object tracking, and follow me mode to make capturing shots easier than ever. This drone also has obstacle avoidance sensors, so you can fly with confidence knowing that your drone will stay safe in the air. Number 2. Introducing the Skydio X2, the most advanced autonomous drone on the market. The Skydio X2 is packed with the latest drone technology, making it the perfect choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. With its intuitive auto-follow and obstacle avoidance features, the Skydio X2 is ready to take your aerial photography and videography to the next level. The Skydio X2 comes with an intuitive remote that makes controlling the drone a breeze. With the push of a button, you can start recording footage in 4K Ultra HD and take advantage of a variety of cinematic shooting modes. Plus, the Skydio X2 has an impressive battery life of up to 30 minutes, allowing you to capture the perfect shot and save it with ease. The Skydio X2 also boasts a powerful obstacle avoidance system that uses several different sensors, making it perfect for navigating tight spaces. Plus, its advanced AI-powered tracking system ensures that the drone will always stay with its target, no matter how fast they go, with its impressive range of up to kilometers. The Skydio X2 is the ultimate tool for capturing stunning aerial shots. The new Skydio X2 is an exciting and intelligent drone that is designed to make aerial filming easier than ever before. It has a 4K camera with auto-follow technology that allows it to track and stay with you as you move. With its advanced obstacle avoidance system, you can be sure to fly with confidence and capture footage with ease. The X2 offers up to 30 minutes of flight time and a 2.2-mile range, so you can explore a wider area and capture more footage. It is also equipped with a powerful processor and artificial intelligence that allows it to automatically create smooth, cinematic footage with just a few taps. The X2 is also incredibly easy to use. You can control it with just a few taps on your smartphone or with the Skydio remote, which lets you take full control of the drone. You can also use the Skydio app to choose your filming style, adjust settings, and check out the live stream of what the drone is seeing. The Skydio X2 is the perfect tool for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage with ease. It's perfect for filmmakers, photographers, outdoor adventurers, and anyone who loves to explore. With its advanced features. Number 1. Welcome to the world of drone technology. Today, we're taking a look at the Yuneec Typhoon H Pro, one of the most advanced and capable commercial drones on the market. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their drone flying to the next level. This drone has it all: advanced sensors, intuitive controls, and a powerful propulsion system. The Typhoon H Pro has 6 rotors, providing you with tons of stability and control. It also includes a 4K camera, giving you stunning aerial footage. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro is also incredibly easy to use. With one-touch takeoff and landing, you won't have to worry about any complicated setup. The drone also comes with an intuitive mobile app that gives you full access to all the features. You can even draw your flight path in the app, making it easy to get the perfect shot. The Yuneec Typhoon H Pro is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take their drone flying to the next level. With its advanced features, intuitive controls, and 4K camera, you'll be able to capture stunning aerial footage.